119 Taft in Elyria.
Now in this particular neighborhood, it's kind of like a high C grade neighborhood. So you can go with Section 8 tenants. Section 8 tenants are paying about $13.50. Cash paying tenants will do the same. Y'all, we're heading out to Elyria for this one, okay? Check this out. 119 Taft Avenue, coming to you at 134.9. This is a single-family home. It's going to come to you vacant. It is owner-occupied-ish at the moment, right? So the video tour you're seeing, that is my guys in there. And the owner, he's got his son living there, okay? So he's not a tenant. He's the owner's kid. He'll be out of the way by the time you guys are ready to close on this deal and get some tenants in there, right? We're going to need to do a little cosmetic fixing up, as you can tell, right? It's in pretty decent shape, but of course we're going to need to spruce it up after the owner's kid gets out of there, you know, paint, floors, stuff like that, you know, spruce it up, make it look good. You know, you're probably looking at like $10,000 or so to get this thing looking good, and renting to somebody for $13.50. Now in this particular neighborhood, it's kind of like a high C grade neighborhood. So you can go with Section 8 tenants. Section 8 tenants are paying about $13.50. Cash paying tenants will do the same. If you're in like super sketchy, tough neighborhoods, I would prefer to go Section 8 because it's really hard to actually get the cash paying tenants to pay their rent every month and you're doing constant evictions. But that's not really too big of a deal over here. This neighborhood's pretty darn stable. We have a lot of good luck in Elyria. And honestly, the government and everything, they're like so much better dealing with the city of Elyria versus like the city of Cleveland, like 20 minutes down the road. Just, you know, so much more landlord friendly. So we really don't run into any issues. Cash or the Section 8, either way will be a big win for you. Now, from here, what you want to do, if you want to physically tour it, the owner's kid, he's totally fine giving you a physical tour. Just reach out to us and I'll get that set up for you. Or if you'd just like to make an offer because you're out of state or something, you could just send that to my team at sales@HoltonWise.com. But before you make that sight unseen offer, if you are out of state, what I'd like you to do is stick around here. Because I'm going to show you the full video tour now, right? I've been talking and, you know, Tyler's been going clips from the, you know, the video tour back to me, back to the video tour. I want to give you that full video tour in its completely unedited fashion. That way you know exactly what it is you're buying. We go through the whole friggin' house. We don't, you know, try to fluff things and like work the angles to make it look nicer than it really is, right? Because that would be stupid because, you know, I'm telling you up front, you're going to have to put like $10K into it. It wouldn't make any sense if I make you a video and I make the house look immaculate, and then when it comes time to getting a tenant, I'm like, oh yeah, by the way, I need $10K. We just got to give you that info up front, right? So if you're local and you want to tour it physically yourself, cool, no problem. If not, you want to see everything before you submit that offer, so stay tuned right now.
There's nobody home, there's like no resident.
Okay. 119 Taft in Elyria.
Nice street.
Yep.
Just want you to know they're here.
Nice yard. Boom.
We can get that in the video and last one too.
Yeah, because when I put it in, I was thinking to make the room and
The room?
wait
Yeah.
When I did it, I realized at the time my lady was telling me, hey, that's not a good idea, that's not gonna work.
Right.
I'm like, shut up, you know.
I got you. Well,
I open the door, and you know, when it happens, so I gotta reverse it, and just move the light back a couple feet on the inside, which is even harder to take the light for 3 hours.
okay. Do you know where this movie talking about specifically? You want to point it out?
Yeah, when we get there. We
That way it'll be on
It's
video.
upstairs. I just built almost a trip last week.
Okay. Well, we'll mention it in the video and we'll get it in the video. If you want to follow up with Steve who set this up and just kind of give him that info, they can also put that in the video if needed. Or you might be able to just send them pictures after you do it and then they can use that.
Yeah, can you send Steve my number and have him give me a call? I didn't save his information.
Yeah, give me 1 sec. I think I have your number.
And I'll need to.
So I have your number. I'll just tell Steve to reach out to you. After we film this today, what we're gonna do is upload it. And once it's uploaded, I'll contact them to let them know, hey, everything's been uploaded. So they'll take it from there. And when I do that, I'll also reach out and have him contact you as soon as he gets a chance. Okay?
All right, thank you. I appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Hopefully we do business again because I'm looking at about 4 or 5 properties.
Yeah, I mean, we could definitely help you out with that. So I'll have Steve follow up, and if you want to set those up with him, he'd be the guy to kind of handle that. And then once he has them scheduled, we'd be the follow-up guys. So
All right, let's see how this one goes first.
sounds good.
could go in. Yeah, it doesn't take long.
You know which?
We'll get that done last time.
I'm gonna show him your
This is a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
I love the pickup management in this one.
You're good.
As soon as you go upstairs, it's gonna be the first door to your right.
He says it hits the wall.
Yeah, so it opens outwards like this, and the ceiling's curved.
Okay, so it bangs into it. I got you.
The basement is right there.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect. We'll probably hit the basement last.
No, I was gonna do it right after I did this.
Which one knock out?
Yep.
That works. Bathroom's right here too.
Yep. Go ahead, you can cut across.
Good size bathroom too.
Yep. Oh Jesus!
Oh
What safety stairs are safe?
They're better than the one in the rain.
They're not. They're not safe. Oh girl.
That's a nice light. Don't need lighting down here.
Furnace.
I just don't get down here this morning.
Nice. Yeah, no, for unfinished basement, that's a good one. You deal with a lot more like flooded and crumbling foundation stuff.
Like there's the, like, yeah, everywhere, carpet everywhere.
Oh yeah? Yeah, we're used to that.
Let me get this all organized, clean up everything against the wall.
You're right. Yeah, no, we walk in. Looks like a bomb. So I'm like, I'm used to it. At this point. Anything that doesn't look like a bomb went off, nice basement. You got the electric panels?
Yep. They're in the corner over there.
Murder.
Alright. Alright. Upstairs, there we go.
And then behind that door is a closet.
Okay, just like a regular.
Yeah.
My
You said
stuff.
it was to the right of the door?
Yeah, as soon as you go up, it's like right.
Okay.
So you gotta walk past it and then open it.
Got it.
Thank you. Oh yeah, I see.
That's the one that hits.
Okay.
Like a little walk-in closet he's doing.
Nice. That's good size.
Yeah. A lot of space in there.
Yeah, right.
All right.
Should be all set.
Yep.
All right.
Should be good.
That was it. So we'll, like I was telling your dad, we'll get it all uploaded by the end of the day today. I'll reach out to Steve, let him know, hey, we're gonna upload it. So I'll give him his number and then, yeah, I assume we'll follow up. It may not be till tomorrow. I'm not sure what your schedule looks like. But once it's uploaded, they kind of take it from there. So basically, that's all Discord, and we'll take it from there.
Beam is cool.
Some updates. I don't know how long it'll take to make the video and whatnot, but it's usually within a couple of days it's up. So
That's
But
cool.
I'll have him contact your dad, and we'll go from there, man.
Yep, perfect. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I like this area of Elyria. We don't come out here too often. I think it's a nice little quiet spot. So.
Yeah, we're usually not on this side of Elyria.
Yeah, we're more like graphic.
Yeah.
But all right, cool.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWiseTV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.